Grow your mind, grow your business with Growth Union.
Finding a suitable business idea can be a challenging task, but there are some steps you can take to make the process easier. First step, identify your interests and passions. Start by making a list of the things you enjoy doing and the topics you are passionate about. This will give you an idea of the types of businesses that may be a good fit for you. Step number 2, consider your skills and experience. Think about your professional and personal experiences and the skills you have developed. This can help you identify areas where you have a competitive advantage. Step number 3, research market trends. Conduct market research to identify trends and opportunities in industries that align with your interests and skills. This can help you identify gaps in the market that you could fill with your business idea. Step number 4, analyze your competition. Take a look at the businesses that are already operating in your chosen industry. Identify their strengths and weaknesses and think about how you can differentiate yourself from them. Step number 5, evaluate your financial resources. Consider how much money you have available to invest in your business and the potential return on investment for different business ideas. Step number 6, seek advice and feedback. Talk to friends, family members, and mentors about your business ideas and ask for their feedback. This can help you refine your ideas and identify any potential challenges or roadblocks. By taking these steps, you can narrow down your options and find a business idea that aligns with your interests, skills, and financial resources.